In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Forms to create choose your own adventure activities, and we'll do it all in just 5 minutes. Let's embark on this interactive journey together, and by the end, you'll be ready to craft your own engaging narratives. First things first, let's head over to Google Drive. If you haven't already done so, simply open your web browser and type in Google Drive. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the New button. This will be on the left-hand side of your screen and is typically adorned with a colourful plus sign. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu of available options. The next thing you want to do is select Google Forms from this menu. You might need to scroll down a bit to find it, as it doesn't always appear at the top. Once you're in Google Forms, you'll have 3 options to start with: a blank form, a quiz, or a ready-made template. For the purpose of creating a choose your own adventure experience, we'll start with a blank form, as this will give us the most control and flexibility over our content. Click on that option and you'll be taken to a fresh form ready for customization. Now let's give your form a name. Imagine the adventure you're about to create and set the scene with an enticing title. You can simply click on Untitled Form and type in your chosen name. With your form named, it's time to add questions. These are the building blocks of your adventure, where your audience will make choices that direct the story. When you add a question, you'll notice it defaults to a short answer type. To craft an adventure, you'll want to make the questions multiple choice so participants can pick their path. Click on the drop down next to short answer and select multiple choice. This will allow your users to navigate the story through their choices. Be sure to make these questions required to ensure that each participant has a complete adventure experience. As your adventure expands, you'll need more questions. Click on the plus sign to add new questions. It's a streamlined way to continue the path or create branches in your story that will lead to different outcomes. While constructing your adventure, you might want to review how it's shaping up. To do that, hop over to the Responses tab, where you can see how users will interact with the story. Now let's add a bit of flair to your form. Go into Settings and then Customize Theme. Here you can choose an image as a header to set the mood and tweak colors and font styles to match the theme of your adventure. This slight customization can enhance your participants' experience significantly. Once your form looks perfect, click Publish to share your interactive adventure. Google Forms is a versatile tool not just for surveys or quizzes, but also for creating detailed